Hey guys, what's happening? If you're looking for a fee-free mobile-first banking experience, VARO and Chime are two of the top contenders. But which one is actually better? Let's compare them head to head. So let's talk now about Chime. Okay, the simpler, more popular option. And Chime is good for people who want straightforward, low cost banking experience with early direct deposits, no maintenance, overdraft, or minimum balance fees, overdraw up to $200 with no fees, eligibility required, and get your paycheck up to due days early, and access to MoneyPass in Visa Plus Alliance ATMs, round up savings features. Helps build, or basically round up savings feature helps build savings effortlessly. That's the good things, but the bad thing is 100% online, so which may not work for some people, right? So there is no physical branches, and can deposit at green dot locations, but fees may apply. Okay, so now let's talk about the VARO, the full-fledged digital bank. And it's best for people who want higher savings interest rates and more banking features. Just like Chime, no maintenance or overdraft fees. Earn up to 5% APY on balances up to 5,000. Up to $5,000. Requirements apply. Borrow up to 250 or $250 instantly with no interest. Fees apply. Get paid up to 2 days early, and deposit cash at green dot locations. Fees may apply. And this is the good things, obviously, but the bad thing is fewer ATMs for VARO. They have almost 40,000 plus free ATMs versus Chime, which has 60,000 plus, and you need to meet specific deposit conditions to qualify for cash advances. Okay, so the final verdict: go with Chime if you want simpler, user-friendly experience, banking experience with solid overdraft protection. Go with VARO if you want to earn high interest savings and need access to cash advances. Both are solid choices with no major fees, so it depends on whether you care more about savings interest like VARO, or overdraft perks like Chime. Which one are you rocking? Drop your thoughts below. Do not forget to like, subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.